had a delivery, didn't he?
Did. Way! Suicide Steven Seagal. Oh, come on.
What the hell? Why? This is a photo of Harry Kane. The match is actually on Tuesday. Oh, she looks so disappointed in her face. But Harry Kane a bit.
Doing.
Oh dear.
Pretty sure they've just ran red lights to do that. Maybe? A weird junction. I had a green arrow.
Yeah.
Oh, what a wanker. Great there, mate.
That still doesn't answer my question. 2 lanes!
What are you doing, you knob?
That van was holding back because it's like, okay, you were first, and then it's like, oh, he's taking the piss.
I did get a bit confused into Stephen.
What?
I'm gonna. Oh, Stephen!
That's it. Pull out in front of oncoming traffic. Great idea.
Oh, cheeky bitch. I knew you were going to do that.
Absolutely, they'll follow. One of them had the time, but they're all red.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Oh, yeah.
You were not left.
Yes.
You were in the table, but you weren't left.
No. Ages, didn't we?
We did.
No, I don't think that's the best idea.
Well, why does that cyclist need to stop for a
Did
red
he?
light?
Red light run, wasn't it? Let's be honest. Wake Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
It's enormous, but it shares it with 2 hotels.
Of course, the Dodge Charger became famous in the Dukes of Hazzard. Yep, it really was a 309 GTI. Yes, we'll make what you will of this. It even has a drag chute. Whether it actually needs one is a different matter, of course. But there we go. It has one.
Oh, yeah. Room.
Like the most
I think the thing has gone the wrong way. Oh! Anyone trying to drive under there with the roof down at the moment, shitting themselves.